Right, overview of 7807. Okay, we are on the Kidani side, and we are on the 4th floor. Once you walk in, these are a little different than the Jumbo side. You have a little more of a hallway on the Jumbo, but when you walk right in, you have your studio kitchenette with refrigerator and great, there's a freezer. I'm gonna need that one. Nice size. You have a coffee maker, microwave, nice little sink, some soaps, a toaster, some paper products, and some cups. Let's see what's down here. Garbage and some coffee. I got 3 this time. Nice. And some to-go cups, creamers, sugar, sweet and low, stirrers. And then you walk in, and right here you have the bathroom. And the bathroom has its own little commode. Nice sink. Some H2O products, not all of them, so I assume we're going to see the hand pumps. In the shower, makeup mirror, great lighting, some hand towels, more hand towels on this side, and some tissues. And then here on the shower, we have your throw, and there is the sanitized. Looks like this is new for sanitation. You have some covers on them, and it shows that they're cleaned. Room looks very clean, nice. Shower curtain. And down here you have some extra paper products, toilet paper, tissue paper, regular towels, and you have a trash. Okay, coming into the room, immediately to my left, I'm seeing a nice little armoire with a place to hang clothes. You can put your luggage in here to get it out of the way. There's also a luggage rack. You also have here on your bed, you have a nice little, kind of like a rug, weaved rug, and then the bed. The entertainment stand has USB plugs. You have 2 power and 2 USB on each side. And then there's just your typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. There's a little sitting area here. They have their enhanced cleaning, showing you that they have enhanced the cleaning here. And then there's a little seating area right here. Nightstand, beautiful artwork, and the balcony. Let's see, open this door quickly. There we go. Overlooking the entrance. So standard view, a little less standard, but you got a nice, beautiful sunset here. Very nice. You can see the thatched roof there. And inside here, you have carpet and tile. Nice fan above. And overall, this is going to do for just one. I can eat over here, I can have coffee on the balcony, and I can sit and relax on the chair. That's going to do it for this overview of a studio, standard view, Kidani Village, Animal Kingdom Lodge. Pretty sweet, huh? Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this overview. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, dudes.